Very good morning, my friend. Most welcome in my channel. We are coming back with some scientific news updates and also some scholarship position in different university in the whole world. If you really want to go for the higher education like master and research or PhD program, then definitely you watch this video up to end, where I am giving some information fully funded university for scholarship positions. So let's start. One things you know that in these times in whole world is under pandemic cases like coronaviruses. So one things very good for environment, positive news for the human society and all animal society. Because of lockdown in whole world, the pollution level of the earth is keep down up to 60% to different type of gases like nitrogen gases, carbon dioxides and other gases. So this is very good news for the earth and human society. Due to lockdown, the percentage level of the gases will keep down and earth is more pure than the others. Now next news is that related to vitamin D deficiency in the peoples who have the less amount of vitamin D in their body systems is causes different type of the another disease, but in this corona pandemics it is more severe and causing the death of the those people who have the less amount of the vitamin D. The research published in the different data is showing that the destruction of the lungs is responsible for the mortality of the COVID-19 patient rather than the misdirection of the other immune systems. So in this research this is found that the person who have the possibility of the deficiency vitamin D, the paper is published in the New England journals, Spain and other this data is collected from these countries patients who are suffering from the COVID-19 and they're showing that immune system already I one of the video I already explained why this happens, but immune system is not activated less amount of the vitamin D. This is the one news showing that. Now we are coming in the corona updates in the whole world. Corona is growing like that in the every day more and more 10,000, yeah, more than 10,000 is coming. Just like in India there is a 13,000 daily cases. Last you can see is the 4-5 days they are reaching more than 70,000 per day, and infections rate and death rate is also more than the 1500s. So it is a very severe cases started in India as compared to other nations. Also there is like Mexico, the new hotspot is coming on, the Russia and Brazil is these are persons who are the already high level of the infections rate is going on. Still we are facing the problem which type of vaccines or drugs will become in the future time. In this graph you can see this graph is very clearly showing that the how the number of the active cases are increasing day by day. This is the cases of daily cases. The graph is very frequently going up and down. So we stay safe and secure. Where are you? Now coming in the last section, there is a scholarship section. Malaysian government scholarship section, fully funded scholarships is available right now. The last date is 6 July 2020, so we need to hurry up. In this scholarship you don't need IELTS or TOEFL, any type of examination. You apply for this master program, PhD programs. You just go in this website, yeah, you go for this university from where you will get all information and apply directly for this. All the subjects are included in this. If you really want to go for the Malaysian with full scholarship, then you go for this sections, because most of cases students really want to higher education but they don't have the economically problems, so they will go for this type of scholarship and economically help from the universities, yeah, some agencies. If you really like my videos, you please subscribe my channel, and if you think it is good, please share with your friends who need such type of information daily basis. So please, and I am requesting you, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching.